children, today we are going to start with a chapter 2, healthcare. So in this chapter, let's study about the healthcare, what we use different things for our health. Like people in olden times, they used to think that disease are caused by evil spirit. कुछ मतलब evil spirit है, गलत चीजें थे, ये मानते थे लोग डिजीज होना. To cure them, they worship god and goddess. और वो भगवान की पूजा करते थे. And now, today we know how disease are caused. Man has discovered many secrets about this health and we have discovered the causes of various disease. We have also invented many instrument and machine which helps in fighting these disease. Man also found many ways to cure. अब तो बहुत नए नए ways आ गए हैं. Doctors they find different medicines so that we can cure the different disease. So we will study about the developments that have been taken in the field of medicines. First is clinical thermometer. You can see here this is a clinical thermometer. आपने टॉप पे देखा होगा बल्ब होता है जिस रेड इज मर्करी. दिस इज सेल्सियस स्केल. ये जो बीच में होता है ये कैपिलरी ट्यूब होती है, राइट, एंड इट इज स्टैम्प ओवर देयर. So in older days, person temperature was observed by touching the body or by feeling the pulse. पहले हम टच करते थे कि हाँ गर्म है तो फीवर है, या पल्स को टच करा जाता था. बट नाउ वी हैव थर्मोमीटर that we use to measure the temperature of the body. The thermometer was invented by who invented Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. It is a simple glass tube. What it is? It is simple glass tube with bulb-like shape at one end and its shape is filled with मर्करी. किससे फिल्ड होती है? मर्करी से. बल्ब जो होता है, जो बल्ब की शेप होती है वो मर्करी से फिल्ड होती है. एंड द ट्यूब हैज मार्किंग ऑफ डिग्रीज इन फ़ारेनहाइट. And a normal healthy person temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit and the thermometer is put under the armpit or the mouth. ये तो आर्मपिट के नीचे या फिर माउथ में रखा जाता है जिससे हम टेम्परेचर को मेजर कर सके. नाउ स्टेथोस्कोप इट्स अ इंस्ट्रूमेंट. What it do? It magnifies the sound made by the heart and lungs. It helps the doctor to find out if the heart and lungs of the patient are functioning normally or not. Who invented it? Rene Laennec in 1816. Now X-ray weather machine. Besides these instruments, if we talk about, various instruments and machines were also invented. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1895, which allows X-ray to pass through the body. It gives pictures of bones and internal organs. Next, besides X-ray, we have very sophisticated machines like CT scan, ultrasound, MRI. These machines helps the doctor to get a complete picture of the organ of the body. जिससे हम क्या देख सकते हैं? Complete picture देख सकते हैं body organ की. Next is laser, which stand for light amplified by stimulated emission of radiation, and it is used to perform operation without cutting up the body. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी बॉडी में कुछ कट वगैरह लगाया जाता है, विदाउट कटिंग होता है. Now we have spigomanometer. It is another important instrument. It is used to measure blood pressure. These are cuff, rubber, bulb and glass gauge, and cuff is a white rubber band that can be filled with the air. ऐसा रबर बैंड होता है जो एयर से फिल्ड हो जाता है. एंड रबर बल्ब इज यूज टू पंप एयर. हम उसको दबाते हैं तो वो एयर पंप करता है. एंड द ग्लास गॉज हैज अ कॉलम ऑफ मर्करी जिससे हम क्या करते हैं? प्रेशर को मेजर करते हैं. नाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड. नाउ वी have another machine to measure the blood pressure. Next is surgery, which means repair, removal or replacement of the damaged part of the organ. Surgery needs a variety of medicinal instrument. Today, surgery is quite safe, right? Doctors can replace a damaged heart with a healthy heart. This is called heart transplantation. Surgery is used to operate upon brain, liver, kidney and other internal organs. Now we have modern surgeries, which is lifesaver, right? And normal. Now medicines. In the past, if we talk about जो लोग थे, they were very superstitious. मतलब वो अंधविश्वास को मानते थे. They believed that disease were caused due to bad deeds or evils. For it, they went to doctor or magicians to get cured. Modern medicines have brought great deal to change what among the people's attitude. Now the discovery of quinine helped the treatment of malaria. Penicillin was the first antibiotics which was developed by Alexander Fleming. Antibiotics are the drug which checks what? Growth and speed of grains. What does checks the growth and speed of germs. Now, chloromycin and ceftriaxone, these are discovered later. Invention of new medicines made it possible to cure and prevent deadly disease. जैसे smallpox हो गया, measles हो गया, malaria हो गया, cholera हो गया, influenza, tuberculosis and plague. What are these? These are deadly disease. Now, basic health care. There are some simple ways you can fight and keep your body disease free. First is balanced diet and nutrition food. Both are essential. You should eat fruits, fruits and vegetables. Regular physical exercise, which is also important. Why? Because it keeps our body fit and build up our body. Clean drinking water is necessary. We should go to primary health centers, dispensaries or hospitals whenever we require. Right? बहुत लोग होते हैं कि नहीं कहीं पास से दवाई ले आते हैं. They take up medicines from the nearby shop. That you should not do. Right? You can go to proper doctor or CSCs, dispensaries so that you can fight with the disease. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now, we will meet in the next class.